Good day. I'm here today to introduce you to the Social Participation Program at the Huntingdon Adult Education Community Center. This program is dedicated to building the autonomy and community connections our students need to thrive. We often talk about social integration, which is really just being present in society. But we strive for social participation. This means being actively involved in decisions and actions, ensuring our students have true control over their own lives. Our ultimate goal is competence in the real world. We focus on reducing dependency through the pursuit of autonomy, helping students function in social roles, and fostering self-determination so they can make choices based on their own potential and needs. The journey begins with looking to the future. This is a mandatory course where students identify their personal reality, recognize their potential, and articulate specific needs. The outcome is a personalized social participation plan tailored specifically to the student. The Social Participation Plan is a living document that guides all learning. It moves in 3 stages: organizing the plan, consolidating or reviewing it, and finally, taking steps to experiment with skills in the real world. Our methodology is based on classes of situations. We don't just teach theory. We provide students with the resources to handle daily life independently by practicing the very situations they will face outside our walls. I will show you some examples in a few minutes. Our curriculum is robust, consisting of 27 thematic courses and 3 planning courses, totaling 30 different opportunities for growth. These courses are structured across 4 main themes: living conditions, social relationships, living environment, and community. Our first theme focuses on the essentials: physical and mental health, personal care, and safety. Key courses cover everything from healthy eating and daily diet to sexuality and respect, as well as risk behaviors. Theme 2 is about how we interact with others. We help students build healthy social networks, learn conflict prevention through harmonious relationships, and improve their daily interactions and communication skills. Theme 3 focuses on independence at home. We explore the prospect of apartment living, cohabitation, home safety, cleanliness, and how to use common technological tools necessary for independent living. The final theme is about citizenship and contribution. We look at active community life, productive work activities, and practical skills like making a budget, consumerism, and navigating the community. The most important part of this is the transfer of learning. For these skills to stick, they must be applied outside of the education center. This requires a strong partnership between the school, the family, and community organizations to support the student's plan. To succeed, we focus on 6 core operational competencies: thinking logically, communicating effectively, cooperating with others, acting methodically, exercising judgment, and using creativity to find flexible solutions. These are the skills needed for real-life success. The end result is an adult who doesn't just fit in, but who participates. They are active consumers, producers, and community members. Our goal is a successful transition to autonomous or semi-autonomous living, leading to a balanced, adult weekly schedule. Daily activities begin with a morning meeting to foster discussion and cognitive focus. We update calendars, answer emails, and practice planning, organizing, and evaluating our progress using forms like the weather and news form. Each Monday is dedicated to core content on the current module. This includes teacher-created materials like slideshows, Google Classroom activities, and Google Forms, as well as engaging with learning platforms like ABC Skills Hub, IXL, Duolingo, and typing. Tuesdays are for independent time. For 90 minutes, students go into town to run errands, shop, and manage appointments at the pharmacy or bank. This time is also crucial for socializing, exercising, and visiting local places like the library. On Wednesdays, we focus on using public transportation. Students utilize the HAECC St. Laurent shuttle bus to travel to neighboring municipalities. We emphasize preparation, planning logs, post-trip evaluations, and the use of public transport. Each Thursday is dedicated to the boutique and cafe. Students work on crafts for the boutique TOUS and prepare meals for the school cafeteria, actively engaging in production and service activities. Fridays are reserved for individual projects. Students focus on transfer of learning preparation, assessment, personal projects, and computer recycling. This time also includes work stages and volunteering opportunities. In the Active Citizenship module, students participate in a voting simulation. They research local representation and debates, learning practical skills like how to correctly cast a ballot and about different candidates. Daily travel is a core component. Almost every week, students visit neighboring towns via the HAECC shuttle bus, including Ormstown, HAECC, Valleyfield, and others, to gain experience navigating the community. Students learn practical travel skills such as reading bus schedules, planning routes, and using tools like Google Maps and bus tracking apps to confidently reach their destinations. During trips, students practice life skills by ordering food and eating together. This involves interacting with service industry workers and managing transactions using bank cards. Building a strong social network is vital. Students learn how to foster harmonious relationships, communicate effectively, and manage conflicts, which are essential for long-term community integration and support. The Daily Diet and Healthy Eating course teaches students how to prepare nutritious meals, understand portion control, and make healthy food choices, promoting overall well-being and autonomy. Transfer of learning is key. Training in social participation is successful when adults can apply skills learned in the classroom to real-life situations, becoming active citizens in their homes and communities. An example of successful transfer is JJ's 4 consecutive years of employment at Couche-Tard. This consistent success demonstrates sustained use of learned work and social skills in the community. Another highlight is Jeremy's involvement with the Little Green Library, showcasing how students can become valuable volunteers and contributors to local organizations.
Our partnership with the Genie in a Bottle project, which supports cancer patients, provides our students with meaningful opportunities to practice social participation and give back to our community.
A great example of community involvement is volunteering at the United Church Pybe, where students actively participate in a large-scale community event, demonstrating their practical and social skills. We emphasize learning within the home environment. This training focuses on skills necessary for independent living, such as effective cleaning and organizational strategies. Our living environment theme had a significant outcome when Christopher Phillip moved into a beautiful new apartment in Ormstown. This required skills like budgeting, following a chore checklist, and planning his shopping. Within the school, students have opportunities to practice customer service skills, fostering their ability to interact professionally and contribute to a productive environment. Students have been recycling or refurbishing computers and were recognized for this green initiative with an entrepreneurial award in 2024. Students learn how to use tools to dismantle computers. They sort materials to be recycled and prepare laptops for donation to New Frontier students free of charge. In a sustainable development approach, students reuse and recycle materials to create practical and creative objects for the boutique, within an inclusive educational framework adapted to all learners. Field trips are an essential part of our curriculum. Students have visited Blair Orchards, the Ormstown Fair, Park Safari, and Lake St. Francois National Wildlife Area, gaining diverse community experiences. We spend a lot of time in nature, visiting places like the Lake St. Francois National Wildlife Area to promote appreciation for the outdoors and environmental responsibility. We are moving from a high school focus to adult life, shifting responsibility to the student. The focus is on mastering the organization and time management needed to own their learning. The goal is independence, whether that looks like work, living alone, or staying active in the community. If they're ready to level up, the Work Ready program is the next natural step.